Welcome to Key Tech. Please describe this channel if you are interested in today's video. The recent actions of the United States have undoubtedly dropped a heavy bomb on the global semiconductor industry. We thought that after Trump took over, the semiconductor ban on China might be relaxed. However, unexpectedly, the United States not only did not reduce the suppression of China's technology industry, but further escalated the ban, no longer limited to advanced AI chips, but a comprehensive ban on all AI chips from entering the Chinese market. This move is obviously a strategic response to China's rise in the field of artificial intelligence. Previously, giants such as Nvidia, AMD, and Intel tried to bypass the ban and launch so-called castrated AI chips, such as Nvidia's H20 and B20. These chips have reduced performance, but can still meet some market demand. However, with the comprehensive escalation of the US ban, even these castrated chips will face the fate of being banned from supply. If this ban is finally implemented, it means that China's technology industry will lose a large number of AI chip supply sources, and this change will inevitably have a profound impact on the global chip industry. Behind the US chip blockade, deeply afraid of China's technological surpassing, we have to admit that the explosion of DeepSeek has brought a huge sense of crisis to the US technology industry. The success of this domestic AI chip not only broke the Western monopoly in the field of AI, but also attracted the attention of the global market in a short period of time. The United States is well aware that the Chinese technology industry is no longer the weak market that it sanctioned and blockaded in the past. Instead, it is gradually growing and gradually catching up. Therefore, in order to maintain its dominant position in the global technology competition, the United States can only use this preemptive approach to limit China's rise in the field of AI. In the eyes of the United States, the development of AI technology is not only a competition in the field of science and technology, but also a part of global strategic competition. If China makes a breakthrough in AI technology, it will have the upper hand in future global competition. The United States is obviously unwilling to see this situation. In addition, with the surge in global AI demand, the market demand for AI chips has also shown explosive growth. Therefore, a comprehensive ban on the export of AI chips to China is not only a blow to Chinese technology companies, but also an attempt to curb China's future competitiveness in the global AI field. Nvidia, danger and opportunity between the ban and the Chinese market. As a global leader in AI chips, Nvidia is undoubtedly one of the biggest victims of the US ban. Although it has previously launched castrated chips such as H20 and B20, the market demand for these chips is still huge. According to estimates, Nvidia will supply more than 1 million H20 chips to China in 2024, with revenue exceeding $12 billion. And this revenue is almost the lifeline of Nvidia's Chinese market. Once the US ban is really upgraded, Nvidia will not only lose this huge market, but also lose the opportunity to continue to make huge profits in the Chinese market. However, why is Nvidia still groping forward in the ban? This may be because even the castrated entry-level AI chips can bring it tens of billions of dollars in revenue. It can be said that Nvidia's struggle in the Chinese market is not only an investment in the future, but also a forced strategy. Without the support of the Chinese market, Nvidia's global market share will be greatly reduced, and its future development will face huge challenges. Technology blockade backfires, opportunities for the rise of China's chip industry. Although the US ban has brought short-term troubles, it has also provided valuable opportunities for China's chip industry. In fact, the success of DeepSeek has proved that China is fully capable of developing domestic AI chips that meet demand. The rise of domestic GPUs, such as Huawei Ascend and Cambrian, has injected new impetus into China's chip industry. Although these technological breakthroughs may not be able to replace international giants in the short term, they are enough to show that the domestic chip industry is catching up, and it is entirely possible to occupy a place in the global market in the future. More importantly, in the face of the comprehensive suppression of the United States, China must not only cope with external pressure, but also find opportunities from endogenous growth to promote independent and controllable technological development. As the country's support policies for scientific and technological innovation continue to strengthen, more and more capital and technology will flow into China's local chip research and development field. I believe that in the near future, China's semiconductor industry will be able to gradually get rid of external technology blockades and achieve true independent innovation. Summary: the global chip market pattern after the comprehensive ban. The comprehensive ban of the United States will undoubtedly have a profound impact on the global chip market. For China, although this ban has brought huge challenges to the domestic chip industry, it has also accelerated the pace of independent innovation of domestic technology companies. For chip giants such as Nvidia, losing the Chinese market will be a huge economic loss, and they will have to find new breakthroughs in the global market. For the entire chip industry, the ban reflects not only market competition, but the intensification of global technology strategic competition. The global technology industry is entering an era of fracture and reconstruction, and the competition between countries is not only at the technical level, but also in the dominance of the global industrial chain. Therefore, for China, although the road ahead is difficult, it is this technological blockade that will force China to accelerate the pace of technological self-reliance and self-improvement. Let us look forward to a more glorious moment for the domestic chip industry in the future.